What's up, guys? So I decided I wanted to clean out the hard to get spots on the cup holder. So yeah, it's not as easy as just taking it out, as I found out. So I wanted to go over with you guys how to do this. Yes, it's gonna be so much fun. Alright, so this is the lid right here. We have the tabs. This little chrome piece is always going to want to pop out on you, so yeah, I just did. So you got these little tabs on the back that you need to open up in order to access a part we're going to be discussing right now. So the lid, when it's in the actual tray like so, you got to get to these back tabs and you pry them up and they'll pop up on their own, and then eventually the lid will just pop off. So then in here you're gonna see that there's gonna be these little pins right in these little holes. You can actually access them from the side. Where's that? Right here. There'll be little spot for them right there, and you just take a little screwdriver like what I have here. It's about that size, and you can kind of work your way through that hole and push them through. So I just pushed them through with this because it ended up being perfect size. And then you're able to get the lid off of these. So these are your little kind of actuators that go in there, and they allow this lid to articulate like this. So I will go ahead and put this back together and go over those little details with you so you understand a little better while it's not in pieces. Alright, so I'm back and I assembled it and it all works great. So I left this side off so we can kind of look at how this actually actuates and works. So you have the little pin that's on the lid that it's got a little guide there and it follows. There's that pin I was talking about right there. You can just punch it out while the cover's on, and same with the one on the other side, and then this lid should just pop straight off as soon as you kind of pry right here on the edge. You pop it out and then this will come up, the lid will come off. And then this piece right here, you can either, you can leave it on or you can take it off, but this spring is going to come out. So that's how that spring's situated. Goes in that little slot. Same with that one. These actually end caps have a screw in the side of them that you have to take out, so it goes into that little spot right there. You just unscrew that, pop those little caps off. There's a little press portion right there, and you just press onto the side of that right there, and then it pops off. Yeah, it's pretty simple, not too complicated. The pin should just slide right out. They're a little stuck in there